Well, again, I mean, the ethical issue is that lawyers have an obligation to protect the confidentiality of client communications. So the issues that the ethics committees are looking at are what happens when a lawyer takes possession of these documents, you know, in a figurative sense, out of their local office and puts it up in the cloud. There's what's the Nevada, Alabama, or Arizona, Alabama, and North Carolina, I think, are the ones that have come up with opinions on this. And I think North Carolina's is still a draft. But essentially what they're saying is that a lawyer needs to make reasonable efforts to ensure the viability of the systems and the security that's in place on the systems that they're using. They need to ask about it. They need to satisfy themselves that the cloud provider is using reasonable security measures. A lawyer does not have to be a guarantor for the cloud service. They're not responsible if there's something beyond their control happens. But one thing I think, particularly the Alabama opinion just came down recently, and one of the things that the Alabama opinion makes clear is that a lot of lawyers are not competent to be evaluating the security of a cloud provider, and if they're not, they either need to get themselves up to speed or they need to get somebody else in who is competent. You know, in a world in which we're all sending around stuff by email all the time, this is all kind of a joke, because all of these providers are far more secure than me sending you a document by email.